This is Ask the Expert. I'm John Burgess, and our expert today is Dr. Mary Maddux-Gonzalez, the Public Health Officer here in Sonoma County. Welcome.
Thank you.
Let's talk a little bit about yourself, but also about First 5 Sonoma.
Yes, well, I've been the county health officer here in Sonoma County for the last 10 years, and prior to that worked in community clinics. I'm a family physician by training, and certainly have enjoyed this, both working in public health and in primary care. First 5 is an excellent organization. It's through our local Department of Health Services, and it really is focusing on children from birth through the 5th year of age, and very importantly, looking at the well-being of children in that age group.
What is attachment, and why is it so important?
Attachment refers to the relationship, that very strong relationship between an infant through the first 2 years of life and even beyond that, between the parents and the child, and also between that child and their closest caregivers. It is so important. It is really relationships that are the foundation of a child's development, and this is that most important relationship. It refers to that emotional tie that a child has with the parent and the parent with the child. It's just absolutely key, not only to the emotional development of a child, but also the intellectual development, their motor development. All of this is just so tied to those relationships.
From a baby's perspective, what does attachment appear like?
Well, it'll probably look like play to most people who are observing this. And that really is the business of parenting. It is to play with your child, because that play is the foundation for establishing the relationship. It's getting the cues from your child when your child is playful and wants to play, when your child is not feeling well and you're comforting the child. These are all key. It may just look like it's a simple activity between the child and the parent, but really the child is learning so much. When you comfort a child who is sad, distressed for some reason, you're not only comforting the child in that moment, you're really showing the child how eventually they can learn to comfort themselves.
And when you look at a child's future, obviously it sounds like attachment is absolutely critical.
Absolutely. Study after study has shown that attachment between the child and the parent is critical to their development. This is absolutely so important to every child's development.
Terrific advice today. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Dr. Mary Maddux-Gonzalez, Public Health Officer here in Sonoma County. And of course, to find out more, you can go to handinhandfirst5.org.